Hello everyone, I am Nikhil. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I would like to explain the course of operating system, and the course code is 21CS44, and I would like to presentation on Mac OS X, and it is guided by Mukesh Kumar Singh sir. Let's move on to this course operating system, and the topic is Mac OS X. And the Mac OS X is an operating system. It is developed by the Apple, and it was first released in 2001. And has gone through the several major updates and iterations over the years. In 2012, the Apple rebranded Mac OS X as Mac OS, and the operating system has since been renamed as Mac OS, and it is followed by the specific version numbers. And the next we have moved to the Mac OS is in design. It's specifically for the Apple's the Macintosh computers and the providers users with a powerful and user-friendly interface. It incorporates a range of features and functionalities that enhance the productivity, creativity, and security of the some of the key features like Mac OS includes. And the first one is the Mac user interface. And in user interface, the Mac OS offers a sleek and the intuitive graphical user interface known as AQUA, and it provides a usually and visually appealing and easily to use experience for the users. It's a discuss for the user friendly interface of Mac OS, emphasizing its initiative designs and easily to use. And it's highlighting the features like dock, finder, mission control, and the menu bar. Next we are next we are more to the second one as a dock. In the dock as a centralized location for the accessing the applications files, and the folders, which allows the quick access to frequently used for items and supports features like stacks, which helps to organize the files on the desktop. The next we have moved to the third one as a finder. In the finder, it's a default file management applications in the Mac OS, which allows users to browse and manage and the files and folders on the Mac. It includes organizing, copying, and the moving and the searching for the files. Next, we have moved on to the fourth one as a spotlight. The spotlight is a powerful search tool that enables to users to find the files, applications, documents, and emails, and the more with just a few keystrokes. It provides a quick and accurate search results. The next, we have moved on to the fifth one as a time machine. The time machine is a built-in backup utility that automatically backups the data to the external hard drive or in a network storage, which allows the users to restore the files and folders or even their entire systems to a specific point in time. The next we have moved to the sixth one as a iCloud. In iCloud, there is a Apple Cloud Storage and the synchronization services. It seamlessly syncs data across the multiple devices, and it's allowing the users to access their files, photos, contacts, and more from the Mac or iOS devices. The next we have moved to the seventh one as a security and privacy. In the Mac OS, the priorities that like security and the privacy, which includes the features like gatekeepers and which helps to protect against the malwares and the file defaults, which encrypts the data on the Mac's to hard drive, and it also provides the privacy controls for the user's data and the app permissions. The next we have more to the summary of this topic. The Mac OS X is an introduced the several significant features and implements over its predecessors. And the classic Mac OS, it was built on the Unix-based foundation called Darwin, and which it can provide a stable and robust for the graphical user interface of Mac OS X, known as Apple, and offered a sleek and visually appealing the designs with the transparent elements and the more constrained user experience. And one of the key highlights of Mac OS X was the focus on ease to use and accelerate the operations and the operating systems. It introduced a simplified and intuitive interface that made it easier for the users to navigate and interact with the Macs, which includes a dock and there's a several hub for the accessing the applications, files, and folders, and as well as the menu bar at the top of the screen for the quick access to system functions. Let's move on to the conclusion of this topic. To summarize that the key points discussed in the presentation, it's highlighting the user-friendly interface, the powerful features, and the strong focus on the security and the privacy. They encourage the audience to explore the Mac OS and to further experience its capabilities firsthand. So thank you for watching this video.